And I love bringing this up because people are terrified of Ouija boards. Truth is, Ouija boards are not inherently evil. The Ouija board is a tool, and what gives energy to the tool is whoever is using the tool. So every single story I've ever heard of people talking about like a really scary experience with a Ouija board is they're already going into it with the expectation that something spooky is going to happen. So rule number one, you clear yourself when you go into practice. These people brought those expectations and they got what they asked for. Number two, you are very clear on who you're connecting with so that you're not connecting with a random energy. And that's what happens in these Ouija board situations. People are going into it and they're just like, let's see what happens, without really a clear understanding of like vibrational intelligence and what they're welcoming into their environment. And then they're also coming in with that expectation. So they're already creating an energetic match for that kind of vibration. So Ouija boards are not scary.